my gosh, Dad, have you gone crazy? Why are you cutting my Super Caesar painting? My school painting competition starts in just 2 hours. If you don't stop right now, I'll call Grandpa and he'll scold you so badly.
No, sweetheart, don't worry. Listen to me. I'm not cutting your Caesar painting. I'm only trimming the extra wooden edges so your painting looks even more beautiful. This way, you might even win first prize.
Wow, Dad, that sounds amazing. But Dad, you spend all day and night making YouTube videos and still people don't even give you a single like or subscribe.
You're absolutely right, sweetheart. But I'm sure the people watching my videos are very kind-hearted. All right, friends, let's see. If you're a Ronaldo fan, then like the video, subscribe to the channel, and type CR7 in the comments. And if you're a Messi fan, then like the video, subscribe, and type Messi in the comments. Look, sweetheart, your Caesar painting is ready.
Wow, Dad, it's really awesome. Thank you. Make this even better.